Hello, boys and girls. At this center, we're going to create a stained glass window or something kind of like it. This is not a window, it's a piece of plastic, but it's going to look like a stained glass window. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to create artwork inspired by an artist by the name of Piet Mondrian, and he loved to create art with patterns. He used vertical lines and horizontal lines, and he also filled those spaces and those shapes with the primary colors blue, red, and yellow. Now this yellow got a little red in there, so it's starting to turn orange, but you'll have a better palette of paint when you get to do this. We're going to use a permanent marker, and we're going to make sure we have a piece of paper towel so we can clean up when we're done. So what you're going to do is you're going to get this piece of plastic, and you're going to put it over our template. You're going to get the marker, and you're going to write your name. I'm going to write my name right in the middle. You write your name, nice and beautiful, okay? Then what we're going to do is we're going to follow the lines. I'm going to get the marker, and I'm going to start with my vertical lines. 1, 2, it makes a funny noise. Hold my paper over here. 3. Now I'm going to do my horizontal lines, and there's only 2. 1 and 2. Now, boys and girls, go ahead and cap your marker. Put it to the side. And now we're going to get to pick the colors that we're going to use. Okay, so I have 3 brushes. We do not want to use the blue brush in the red brush or the red brush in the yellow brush. We want to keep them separate. Okay, so you have 3 brushes. Mix it around a little bit, and you decide where do you want your first color to go. So I'm going to go over my name. I'm going to put mine in the middle, and I'm going to stay within the lines. Okay. So basically this paint is glue and liquid watercolor mixed together. And when this dries, it's going to look kind of like a gel dried onto this plastic sheet. So I'm going to do 1 square there. Maybe I'll do another one over here. Another one right over here. And maybe 1 more over in the corner here. Okay? Sorry, my phone was ringing. Okay, I'm done with my blue. I'm going to stop with 3. Now I'm going to get some red. Now the pattern that we want is some blue, some red, some yellow, and then some of those spaces are going to stay white. Okay? Or clear in this case because the plastic is clear. And I don't want my colors right next to each other, so I'm going to skip a space. So you see how the reds are separated? Do this like this. Okay, so I've got about 3 spaces. Now I'm going to try to get my yellow without getting that red. I'm going to go 1. There's 1. Here's 2. I've got a little blue and that yellow, and that looks green. And then I'm going to do 1 right here. Now you can decide where you want it. That's just where I've decided. And so this is my pattern. When you're finished, you're going to let Mrs. Llanos know. You're going to let me know. You're going to pick it up flat without touching it. And we're going to make sure and take this to the drying rack. And then when you come back, you're going to clean this up as best you can so that the next group that comes to the center has a nice clean area. I hope you had fun. Bye-bye.